Introduce reviews or features highlight before select generic rear view mirror camera 7-inch touch screen. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you choose generic rear view mirror camera 7-inch touch screen. Inch IPS touchscreen and 1080p car camera FHD recording dual cams simultaneous FHD recording in 1080p front view dash camera and 480p waterproof rear cam. Ensuring you get much more explicit footage all day and night. 7-inch touchscreen provides a wide visual angle, making it clearer to record more traffic information by mirror dash cam. Camera kit for safe parking. Connect the red wire from the rear camera to the reversing light, and the image of the rear camera will automatically switch over the full view and trigger the park assist lines of the dash camera for safe parking when the R gear engaged. Monitor and G sensor triggered by the parking monitor, the dash cam will automatically turn on and record when parking. The G sensor of the mirror dash cam will auto-lock recorded video in-car camera when detecting a collision, which provides robust evidence in case of a dispute. Switching design. Based on this design of the mirror camera, it is convenient for you to switch the 5 view modes from the full screen display to the front/rear view or picture-picture display. Turning off the screen display, this dash cam can be used as a regular rear view mirror. Appearance and easy-to-use car camera with 2.5D advanced anti-glare glass mirror. This iron body of HD mirror cam gives you a special sense of touch and vision. The 7-inch sensitive touch screen of the mirror car cam is more concise and easier to set up than traditional physical buttons. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you. And make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all.